Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 16th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, I was seeing the video of Portia. Don't make me call Portia. Who said that? Who said that? You say Portia daughter named Pilar. Pilar, like the pillars on the high priestess card. Oh my God, right? She was making like a type of blended juice for her mommy, and Portia was like, I'm going to give you my honest review, okay? I'm not going to lie if you don't want me to, right? And she make it for her, and Portia was like, oh my God, that's good. And she jumping up and down. Oh my God, Portia daughter is so sweet. Portia, who said that? Who said that? Anyways, Cancer, let us go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer, let us go and see what is happening when it comes on to can you get over your ex. I know this is something that people might use and disrespect a Cancer, but everybody go through relationships, right? Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Everyone falls in love with a heart sometime. I don't know about you, but shooting her in her foot was obviously a stage crime. Megan Thee Stallion, you know, come on, come talk about your lies. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. What lesson do you need to learn, Cancer, from this breakup? Let's go. We have the Six of Swords. It is learning that no matter how much that man says going to change, no matter how much a woman says she's going to stop on you, Cancer, you have to leave. This is what you need to learn. You need to learn the strength to get up and leave a relationship, leave a marriage. You better leave it like Mommy Musk. You better leave that fuck like Mommy Musk. That you need to know. You know much stories me hear a girl here, enough girl in a shelter, in a system, in a government system, will say, me did have everything. Me did have everything. Every single thing you could have think of, shoes, bag, everything, and I left the whole of it because I couldn't deal with the man. Enough of them will talk, and enough of our friends' mothers, and some of our mothers may have stayed in relationships for years. You need to learn, Cancer, the mother, you have to leave. Especially when you have a kid. You keep using this excuse that you want the kid to grow up in a healthy home with two parents. The man don't healthy. No matter how much fucking men's one a day you give him, he will never be fucking healthy. So I'm getting, what you need to learn is you need to leave. When you see signs, red flag, not red flag, because sometimes we ignore the red flag and say, oh, there's only red flags out to the people out there. He won't show the red flags to me, right? Because everybody have a dirty side, right? Okay. It only come out dirtier when them use it on the person them claim to love, right? Okay. So you have to learn that you have to leave. Him hit you, him say, I'm gonna stop, he will never stop him. You have to leave. Him cheat on you, him say, I'm not gonna cheat on you again. He have to leave. I'm going to do it again and again. And you keep saying, oh, marriage is work. Marriage means forgiveness. Marriage means that. Listen, let me tell you. Marriage is something that you have to understand that it doesn't come easy. Marriage isn't something that you can just fix. What the fuck? Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. No. Look how much husband ask every married woman how many times them husband was unfaithful to them. They will never tell you one. And if them tell you one, it's because the husband could not fathom to see their wife cry to tell them, sweetie, yeah, I've been fucking other bitches too. Any man, whatever blood clot cheat on them, girlfriend or wife, is not one. It's just one you caught. So I'm getting, your lesson is, you need to learn to leave. Rita Marley can make wood fire and you're still in an abusive relationship? Okay. Rita Marley taught you nothing. What can you do to find peace right now, Cancer? The Six of Pentacles. Me getting, so you're gonna leave with nothing. You have no bags, just a child. Me getting, you have no support. So what you can do to find peace right now? Do you need government help? You need assistance? Me getting you don't have money, you have to leave. Or that is your last resort. But me getting you leave back enough nice things. But what is more important, your peace? Because if you call police, the police them now escort the blood clot man out of the house. They're not locking up the man. And obviously you have protected the man so much that when the man hit you, abuse you, you don't want to call policeman in blood clots because you keep telling yourself that, oh, I don't want my daughter's father to be in prison. I want my son to know in blood clot father. Okay, do you want your son to also know how you look while getting hit in your blood clot face? Great. So since you're not going to call the policeman, the police take the man out of the fucking house, you have to leave. So I'm getting you up on government assistance now. 66. 66 the contract. I'm getting now your government owned or I'm getting it in the system. 66. You're in the government system now. That's what sixes are, if anybody didn't know that. 66. Sixes are the pregnant stomach that is given up for adoption. In case you never know. 66. Me getting you a leave. Me getting something about government assistance going on. How can you forgive yourself and your ex? The 10 of cups. Me getting forgive yourself because every woman wanted a happy family. Every woman did want a husband or a wife. Every man did want a wife. Every woman did want a husband. Every girl did want a boyfriend. Every boyfriend did want a girlfriend who obviously they wanted to spend them life with. Have a happy family. Work in a collaboration. Have a happy home. But me getting it does not work out that way. It sometimes it never work out so for our aunties. It did not work this way out for our parents. And it never work out this way for our friends. And it's okay. Sometimes it don't work out. So forgive yourself. But no, you didn't want to be with this man. You didn't want your kids and everybody to live in a one household. We know that. You wanted your marriage to work. We know that. You wanted the relationship to work. We know that. But that's not how it goes in life. And you wanting a relationship to work is different from being in a relationship with somebody who hurt you. So me getting forgive yourself because you can get it back. Even if you didn't have it for 20 years and you lose it for 20 years, you will get it back. Even if you get it back 1 year before you're dead, you're going to get it back. So forgive yourself. Because you're convinced of yourself you'll never be happy again. No man not going to want you again. You have a baby. Right? You were married. I don't know, you had a family at one point. You have to explain all of your life to these new people who you meet. No, the fuck you don't. So forgive yourself for obviously thinking that this would have worked out with your ex. It did not. Forgive yourself for all the times you may have left and went back and it still did not work out and you felt used and you feel abused and you feel like a dummy. You felt fucking retarded for keep. They might tell you something every blood clot they still go back. You felt retarded. That's how you felt, didn't you? You felt slow. You felt slow release action. That's what the fuck you felt, don't? Yeah. So forgive yourself. Everybody who get married never think they would get divorced. It happens. Just know that you need to make sure so you heal yourself so that the next person you're with, it will be like this. And never like what you had to go through. Alright, what else? When will you be ready for your next relationship, Cancer? I feel like you always wanted to be a well-kept mom. That's just your life, what you want it to be. You're getting you're not ready for another relationship. With the 7 here, you don't trust anybody. You feel like everybody's out to hurt you. You don't even want nobody to accept help from you. I'm getting right now, you're not in the mood. I'm getting nobody can come up to you and talk to you right now, to be honest. Now, I don't know if it's because you're still holding on to your marriage, even though you left the marriage. Maybe I hope that somebody will change and then you and them come back and they'll be like, oh, I went to therapy. And you're like, oh my God, we kiss and we make up and one happy family again. And you get back your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband. Is either you're defending that, thinking that your abuser is going to change. So you may check, you might need to check yourself. What do you call it? Stockholm Syndrome. You might have Stockholm Syndrome. That's something you might need to look into. If you don't have Stockholm Syndrome, then we're getting you don't want a relationship right now. Okay? What else? Let me look. And one more. How can you prepare for your next relationship? Even though you don't want one right now, how could you prepare for it? We have the Fool card. I'm getting it here when you prepare for your next relationship. You do not be attached. You don't be attached to what the man do. You don't be attached to him life. You live your life freely. You can live your life like a single mother, but you have a man, you know. You know you can do that. Once you get a man, you and the man time don't become 50-50. That's not how it works. The man had 24 hours in a theme clock. You had 24 hours in a year clock. So you were either spending 8 hours a day to look for a man, and now you get the man, you spend 8 hours a day trying to figure out if the man cheat on you. You have to learn to use the time wisely. We're getting Aquarius energy, or me getting maybe this time when you're in a relationship, you have to just look at it as a relationship. This does not consume your life. It don't mean you have to attend to the man. It don't mean say you have to everywhere the man there. It don't mean say you have to check up on the man 24/7, 365 to know what the fuck him want or what is on his mind. Me getting you have 24 hours, him have 24 hours, and then out of those 24 hours, you guys spend time together. Because I'm getting you scared that a man are going to trap you again. You're scared they're going to give all of yourself again into this relationship and him going to abuse you. Well, you need to learn to disattach. Just because you're with him doesn't mean you need to be emotional. It's very simple. You're there with a girl, you're there with a man, alright, you know what you can't do. You can't nobody else, you can't talk to nobody else, you can't entertain nobody else. And you have to care about their emotions the same way you care when your boss are calling them office talking about your daily performance. That is it. A relationship is actually as easy as holding down a job. It's very easy. The only way relationships get hard is if the job did lie to you about what is it that they wanted you to do. Either way, it's pretty fucking easy. If you have the energy for fuck, you have the energy to be in a relationship. I'm just saying. If you don't want to be in a relationship, that's great. But I'm just saying. You need to learn to detach, Cancer. Because you get too emotional, then you get consumed, then the whole relationship takes you over, and then your identity is a relationship. It's no longer Cancer being the girl. Maybe a man want to be the girl. Witch doctor, it could be that. Maybe a man want to be the girl. We have Shark. We have Aries, the head. You might be dealing with Aries. We have Pisces. This is Aries. So you might be dealing with Aries and Pisces, the head and the foot. Cancer. And we have I have to take these secrets to the grave. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Cancer. Bye.